I've installed the new glass on the Bronco, and now I'm installing the rear view mirror. I couldn't find much on the internet on how to place this mirror, but what I did, I measured from the frame on the inside to the center, and I found my center line of the window. All right, I marked that, the center line. Then I came down 3.5 inches and I found the center of where I want to put the button that holds the mirror on. And then I outlined it, and that's upside down. And then I outlined it so I'll know my location. So the center of my button is 3.5 inches down, 27.5 inches across, and that is from the frame, not the rubber gasket. The gaskets can be different from year to year, but the rubber gasket is 26 3/4 on this one. 26 3/4, measuring it from the rubber, 27.5, measuring it from the frame. All right, now I'm gonna follow the instructions on the back of the glue. And I'm using the Loctite brand. Now, the mirror comes with a little tube of glue. I wouldn't recommend using that because I don't think that they stick very well. Let's move on to the next step. Okay, the next step is to get the activator, squeeze the tube to break the glass inside that holds the activator, so the activator will go down to the felt tip. All right, remove the sleeve, apply the activator to the area on the windshield, that we've got marked out, and apply the activator. Apply the activator to the button. And they do not want this stuff on your skin, so don't get it on your skin. All right, we're gonna let that dry. I believe they said for 5 minutes. And not to touch it. All right, next, after we wait, we're gonna break the adhesive top off and squirt 1 drop of adhesive onto the button that holds the mirror up. Not to touch the part of the button that the adhesive goes to, but 1 drop, and hold it in place for 1 minute. It said 1 drop. So we put 1 big drop.
Now it's at this point you can screw up pretty bad. Make sure that your button is right side up, just like it fits in the mirror. Don't screw this up, guys.
All right, see you guys in 1 minute. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so far so good. Now we wait 30 minutes before we can hang the mirror. See you guys in 30 minutes. All right, I'm gonna say that that was successful. Everything works good. You can adjust the mirror and you can hang all of your pine tree air fresheners from it if you want to. You saw how I measured it. That can work with any car out there that has a mirror that hangs from the window. Make sure you put it to where it's not obstructing the view of driving down the street. So, hey, are those measurements exactly how Ford did it? I don't know. Could never find anything online, and that's why I made this video. So hopefully, if you're struggling after putting in a new glass, not having the old one, not knowing where it goes, This will give you some type of an insight of how I did it for this early Bronco. I'm sure it's the same for any early Bronco. And hey, hope you got something out of it. So as always, thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for subscribing. And always, thanks for liking. Now get out in the garage and go build something. See you in the next episode.